Kamusta po?
Hello, good afternoon. Yes. April
Kamusta po yung...
1.
Yes, oo nga. April Fool's Day ba ngayon?
April 1.
Tama ba? Yan. So pero walang
Oo.
manloloko ngayon. Seryoso tayo. Seryoso. So, ayun, ang bilis ng araw, Miss Alfie. Ito na naman tayo,
Yeah.
magtsitsikahan. And this time, medyo iba siya ngayon dahil medyo marami tayong mga guests. Okay? And I love our new look ngayon, ah. Ang ganda ng... Ayan, shout out kay Johan. Ayan, sa ating and Zar. Ayan, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, sige po. Madam, ang ganda-ganda. Ang ganda ng hair at ang outfit natin dyan.
Ganun ba? Friday.
Alright. Yes,
Medyo
oo, parang
pahinga na.
magre-ready ng umalis. May
Para kaya
pupuntahan. Oo, ako din actually. Nagre-ready na kasi weekend na. Okay. Sige
yes.
po. Huwag na nating patagalin. By the way, guys, can you hear me well? Yan sa ating mga viewers. Narinig niyo po ba kami ng maayos? Ayan. Sige po, tag niyo na po yung mga friends, okay, colleague, ayan, yung mga teammates niyo po. Yan, para mapanood natin ngayon yung ating mga course creator for Rise Up Online Learning. Grabe. And, sige, mag-enjoy tayo this afternoon. Magchichikahan. Okay, and let us know kung saan po kayo nanonood. If you're from Pampanga, ayan, Jensen ba yan? Davao, Bataan. Okay, sige po, ayan. Okay, sige po. I think we can start na. Okay, again guys, welcome to our Friday Pray Story, but this time it will be something different. Hindi lang po isang ating interviewin, so we have few people here. Nakasama namin ni Miss Alfie. So by the way, my name is Sherry and kasama ko po si Miss Alfie this afternoon, and we are so excited to introduce to you our guest. So marami po sila. So if you're watching this on live, please comment #Team Live, and if you're watching this on a replay, please use #Team Replay. Okay? So wag na natin patagalin. Let's have a quick intro, okay, sa ating mga guests. So for this Friday Pray Story, our guest is ang mga guests po natin is actually our Rise Up Online Learning course creator na nasa hot seat, okay? And we will learn more about how RUOL or Rise Up Online Learning will help you in your online bookkeeping journey. Okay, so sige po, let's all welcome our course creator for Rise Up Online Learning. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, ang dami natin. Ayan, kamusta po ang lahat?
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Ayan, kaway-kaway.
Hello.
Ayan. Sige po. So, instorboy lang po namin kayo sandali. Ayan, magchichikahan po tayo. And ayan, may mga nakaabang po tayo mga viewers kasi marami na rin pong nag-i-inquire about Rise Up Online Learning. And syempre, gusto din po nilang makilala sino ba yung mga magtuturo sa kanila and ano ba yung mga ino-offer nila. Okay? Sige po. Uumpisahan natin, syempre sa pagpapakilala po ng inyong sarili. So, kayo na po ang magpakilala and then pwede nyo pong i-share kung ano po yung ituturo nyo for Rise Up Online Learning.
Okay, can you start with Andy? Okay.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing today? Hope everyone's doing fine. So, by the way, I'm one of the course mentor or course creator for this Rise Up Online Learning. And basically, I'm specializing on QuickBooks Desktop Payroll and Tax Guide. So, I'm pretty much excited when it comes to helping you guys to enhance your skills, especially on the payroll side of the business. I know everyone's familiar with the bookkeeping, doing the bank reconciliation and stuff, but I want you to explore how payroll works in every business. So, I think so. I'm pretty much excited for the upcoming learners for me to share those specialty that I have. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Andy. Sige po, Leo.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Leo Abanilla, one of the course creator and specializing in teaching MS Excel as well as project automation using the Excel. And since isa siya dun sa mga software na lagi natin ginagamit into bookkeeping and the accounting side, minsan kasi na-overlook natin siya, and using this course, we will help you to get a better understanding of how it is used and how to utilize it properly for efficient and accurate accounting and bookkeeping process. And I hope marami kayong matutunan, and then we will be doing support to you.
Yes, thank you, Leo. Sige po, Miss Lady.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is doing great today. I'm Lady Ann Canlas. I'm also one of the mentors or course creators for our Rise Up Online. I specializes in the Philippine taxation. And also I am a teacher in a college. So I can teach you or guide you on either accounting, bookkeeping, or the taxation perspective. I will be teaching or sharing with you the taxation plus there will be an updates for this second batch, and I will guide you on the monthly and quarterly taxation so that you can add up those to your portfolio and provide additional support services to your clients.
Yan, sige.
So,
Miss Alfie, kayo na po tumawag na susunod. Thank you, Miss Lady.
thank
Okay.
you.
Ayan. So next is we have Miss Regina.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're doing great. And it's our second quarter now. So I'm also part of the the Rise Up Online course creator. So I'll be teaching real estate accounting together with my partner Kim Joseph. I'm not sure if he'll be able to join us today, but he will be trying to join us. And basically what we're teaching about real estate accounting is that what are the different accounting software that are being used for real estate accounting, and why is real estate accountant a very one of the lucrative courses in terms of the accounting focus, because all most of us are actually offering bookkeeping services, but there are specialization like the real estate accounting. It's a specialized one, so it's also one thing that you would also want to learn, so that in the future that you wanted to become a bookkeeper that is specializing on the real estate, you'll be able to know what are the different aspects that you need to know on the real estate accounting, and what are the accounting software that you're gonna be able to learn in order for you to perform your work and obligations and responsibilities as a bookkeeper for the real estate.
Wow! Grabe yon, madam. Ayan, so thank you, Miss Regina. Sobra akong na-excite eh. Dun pa lang sa intro, parang sold na ako, Miss Alfie. Pero yun
Yes.
nga, more pa, diba? So, sige po, pag-uusapan pa po natin yan. So, we have some questions for you guys. So, umpisahan po natin sa ating first question. Ayan, so, ayan. Why do I need to take this course? Ayan, kasi some of the question po kasi is really galing po sa mga nag inquire. So, yan, kwentuhan po natin sila. Bakit nga ba? Ayan. And puwede niyo rin po i-share para kanino po ba itong Rise Up Online Learning? Pang-newbie ba 'to, pang-experience ba 'to? Sige po. Sino pong gustong mauna?
Yan, si
I can
Ate.
start.
Sige, sige. Okay.
So sa amin kasi yung real estate accounting, it's not only focused on the, although since this is actually a pre-recorded courses, so we're encouraging newbies and those that have bookkeeping experience but not yet really into the real estate or property management accounting. So I would suggest that it's a good thing to learn about real estate, because we're not only catering US clients, although because I mean real estate is actually very it's a large industry. Not only in the US, UK, Australia, even in the Philippines, you can also be a bookkeeper for real estate. And since this is a vast industry, so there's a lot of opportunities that are going around for real estate bookkeeper. I mean, a bookkeeper that is specializing for real estate. We're encouraging you to join the Rise Up Online, because it's not only that you will be equipped with different knowledge and then new opportunities for you, but it will also help you realize and what will be your specialization. Because I mean, in the bookkeeping industry, we have it's actually a large. There's a lot of different industries. You can actually be an e-commerce accountant. There's also other industries that are specializing for the bookkeeping. But knowing like the real estate accounting, it will also give an edge in a way that you'll be able to just to focus on clients that would you would land different clients that are into the real estate. Like if you know Afolio, the other softwares that we're using, Afolio, Buildium, um, Yardi, and different types of real estate program, it will be an edge for you, so that you the next time that you're gonna look for clients or connect with prospective clients, you'll be able to have the confidence on how you're gonna build your expertise on that, so that the clients will be able to, you can actually become a go-to person. Because I mean, if you are a specialized accountant or a bookkeeper, people would their preference is actually based on the specialization. Because if you are just a general accountant or bookkeeper, although it's a good thing to become a general accountant or bookkeeper, but then we are actually leading towards the premium payments. So I mean, if you are a specialized accountant, then mostly you are being paid on a premium level. So that's one thing of the reason why I'm also encouraging people to learn real estate accounting.
Yes, I agree with you, Miss Regina, and thank you for sharing that. Totoo po 'yun, kasi 'pag general accountant ka, lalo na if you're starting, 'di ba? Ay gano'n naman talaga tayo when we are starting, 'yan general accountant tayo, hindi natin talaga alam kung saan ka magfo-focus, 'di ba? Pero 'yun nga, if bawa ikaw yung specialized dito sa market na 'to, ikaw yung go-to person, 'di ba? Uy, si Regina siya yung sa real estate. Uy, si Miss Lady siya yung sa BIR. Ay, si Leo siya yung sa Excel, 'di ba? Ang daling, mag-refer ng tao. Okay, sige po, ang galing. Thank you for sharing. Sige, Miss Lady.
Okay. For me naman, for the taxation, sa Philippine market, meron pa tayo, malaking opportunity. In terms of the market, madalas ako sa BIR office. Okay. And mostly if um, it is a new business, or even if it is already existing in a couple of for a couple of years, they don't really know what taxation means or how does it works. All Most people or most entrepreneurs want to have a business, but they would start on investing, but not the administration aspect of it, especially the legal side. And that is very evident here in the Philippines. So I would suggest you to have this course and maximize that opportunity that we have here in the Philippines. So, and also, additional to that, if you are specializing in taxation and you have a good communication with your client, it will only take maybe an hour or two to finish a number of clients. Okay, so it you can either add it at this as your additional income or focus on it. But I will assure you, if you have this specialization, it will not take too much of your time. As for me, I have, let's say, about 5 clients, and I'm just spending a day for all of them, which is very good. You know, we want to have a stable income. We want to have financial freedom, but we also want to have a work-life balance. We don't need to stress out ourselves in doing too much hard work. Okay, and also other than that, this will jumpstart your career and skills. We have a number of different courses in this Rise Up Online. You can choose either, and there are either or all. Okay, so if you finish this whole course and you felt that you already specialize in one, and then you can jump into another. So, for instance, since we are all situated here in the Philippines, okay, you can add either have a both BIR taxation and real estate. So if you have achieved that, this course will be very beneficial to you today and in the future. So for me, that will be it.
Thank you, Miss Universe. Galing, ang ganda ng sagot ni Miss Lady, eh. So, si Andy niya, hindi na mapapahuli si Andy.
All right. So again, good afternoon, everyone. Why do we need to take this course? Of course, to start with, Rise Up Online Learning has a lot of set of courses where you can enhance your skills, improve all the, whatever skills that you have currently now. It can add up to your portfolio as well if you have those online platforms that you are actually applying for or looking for clients. Then this set of courses, if you were able to take this and then complete this course, then it's really an avenue for you to really have a new set of skills and to really offer to your clients. So basically, part of the course in Rise Up Online Learning is QuickBooks Desktop Payroll and Tax Guide. So I have this like a trivia from 2017, wherein the United States Internal Revenue System, or the IRS, Internal Revenue Service, collected like $2.39 trillion when it comes to payroll taxes. So, and also one thing that I've observed is that when I'm actually applying before, I've noticed that it's commonly like general bookkeeping skills that most of our freelancers already has. But if you will have like a new set of skills, especially on the payroll side of the business, I know any type of business there are a lot of employees, or there are employees in every business. So basically, this course that I have right now is really a great platform for us to explore the payroll side of the business, wherein we are going to learn on the federal, state taxes, or some local taxes as well as it's a great opportunity for you to also like share to your clients that you already have like an experience when it comes to how to pay employees. I've already like already under no with a course on how to really manage the payroll of the business. Then this Rise Up Online Learning course would really help you to open for opportunities and add more works and income when it comes to your clients that you currently have right now. And then again, for the payroll, it's it's really like most likely it's really open for everyone actually, for accountants and bookkeepers. It's really like a great platform for everyone to learn, especially if we have already like if you're doing already the general bookkeeping, then again, another like if sharing your payroll knowledge to your client, or at least they already have a, oh, okay, this freelancer already or my bookkeeper is already is aware about payroll, then might be he can delegate the task for payroll to you as a freelancer. Mm-mm. That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Andy. Nosebleed. Ayun, totoo yun. I agree with Andy, no, Miss Alfie. Kasi may mga ibang clients talaga that are looking for bookkeepers and accountant that with payroll experience or knowledge. Diba? So kung avail nila to, yan, si Andy is the guy who will help us to learn the payroll. Okay, and the payroll tax. Grabe. Intro pa lang yon, sigurado kayo. Parang dami ko na natututuhan from you guys eh. So yan, si Leo.
Ayun, good afternoon again everyone. As an accountant and as a bookkeeper, after natin ma-learn yung other courses like the real estate, the taxation, and the payroll, syempre, paano natin ma-generate yung lahat ng reports na yun in an efficient manner. That's why we have this course on Excel, which is one of the commonly used or used software when it comes to accounting and bookkeeping. Ayun. Si Excel kasi is medyo na-overlook natin yung mga functionalities niya since sa sobrang dami kasi ng functions niya, hindi natin alam para saan ba itong functions na ito, para saan ba itong function na ito. And then, by taking this course, we will be able to use Excel in an efficient manner para yung mga lahat ng natutunan natin sa other courses, yun, magamit natin siya and then ma-generate natin lahat ng reports na yon ng mabilis. Syempre, hindi lang naman na isang client yung gusto nating makuha, di ba? We want 5 to 10 clients and we also want to still have time for leisure and our family, di ba? And then, para magawa natin yun, kailangan syempre matapos natin yung mga tasks natin ng mabilis. Yun. By doing, by using Excel in an efficient manner and also learning how to do project automation by macros. For example, matatapos natin yung task natin. Sometimes, may mga magagawin tayo na sa isang kisat mata lang. Ayun, tapos na yung mga task natin or sa isang pindot lang, aantayin na natin ma-generate yung mga reports natin. Habang, for example, while having a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, you're just waiting for your macros to finish the task for you. That's how this course will help you on your accounting and bookkeeping journey. Ayan.
Ayan. Thank you, Leo. Totoo yun. Kasi 'di ba pag halos tayong lahat, mga accountant, bookkeepers, ginagamit talaga natin yung Excel. 'Di ba? Yung VLOOKUP, mga sum if.
Yes.
Miss Alfie, mas mabilis natatapos yung mga tasks natin kapag may mga formula, mga codes, 'di ba? So, yung mga hacks na yan. So, kasama-kasama talaga po yan sa pagbo-bookkeep natin. So, kung in-add nyo pa po yan sa skill, okay, na gusto nyo pong malaman pa, talagang namang kaya nyo pong humakot ng maraming client. Okay. Nice. Okay po. So, ano po yung next question natin, Madam? Madam Alfie.
So, since naisabi na ata yung how this course would help them sa journey sa freelancer, so next is, what makes this program different from any other self-development program on the market?
Ito, interesting din yan. Yan. Si Miss Lady, sige po.
Sige. As course creators, we are both learners and mentors. Okay, learners in the sense na we personally want to upskill ourselves. Okay, and that attitude for me is a very big advantage kasi yung kung kanino kayo, if you have the same perspective as your mentor, and your mentor wants to have this updated skills so it will only mean na kung ano yung makukuha nyo sa kanila is always at par or higher than what is currently in the market. And also, we have this personalized touch. So, hindi ito yung mafe-feel nyo na masyadong malayo or parang standardized na module yung kukunin nyo. We have a certain personalized touch that if you will encounter some questions, concerns during your journey, and you can always reach out to us. So kung saang specialization man yan, it may be in the real estate, in taxation, or in Excel or payroll, but you can freely ask and reach out to us. And we are willing to help. Kasi yun naman yung talagang parang goal ng Rise Up Online is to help freelancers to enter the industry and have financial freedom. na hindi sa isang stressful na paraan, 'di ba? So, we will still be beautiful. Sabi ko nga, kahit nagtatrabaho tayo and kahit na ayun. So, that's for me, it's the difference ng rise of online.
Wow, Miss Lady, gusto ko yung beautiful. Ayan. O yung hindi nga stress na stress, 'di ba?
Oo.
Ayan. Ayan, si Leo ready na sumagot.
Ayun. Eto kasi, this course is specifically tailored towards accounting and the bookkeeping process. And then this course is created on a perspective or on a point of view from an accountant. Ayun. So, itong course na ito is lahat ng tinuro dito is from a point of view na kung paano natin siya gawin through an accounting and a bookkeeping perspective. So, ano yun? Mas katulad na nasabi ni Miss Lady, hindi siya standardized since ano siya, specifically tailored siya para dun sa ano natin, for the accounting process. Ayun. And then, mas madali siyang intindihin, saka yung mga terminologies din niya is catered towards the accounting point of view din natin. Ayun, medyo nabablanko ako ngayon. Pero,
Okay.
Okay ka pa rin, Sir Leo.
Oo nga.
active lang muna tayo. Pero yun, tulad nga na sabi ko, aaralin natin siya, matututunan nyo siya, at ginawa siya from point of view ng isang accountant. Kaya mas madali siyang intindihin kaysa dun sa mga nakikita natin mga course na or mga videos sa YouTube na how to do this and that, which is parang standardized lang talaga siya eh. Ayun.
Yes. Ako totoo po 'yun. Yung bang ang market talaga natin is for our fellow bookkeepers and accountant. So, basically yan, para-pareho tayo ng language dito, halos yan. Ang Tagalog, nakakaintindi tayo lahat ng Tagalog, and yung mga terminologies about accounting and bookkeeping, magkakasundo tayo, lalo yan sa BIR, 'di ba? Yan si Leo, nasa mga codings for bookkeeping, okay, accounting, ayan. Talaga namang swak na swak siya. Sige, salamat po.
And as well as yung support kasi natin, once you ask for questions sa mga course creators natin, syempre yung mga files na most likely or mga tasks na itatanong niyo sa amin is accounting related. Kaya mas madali namin kayo may support since parehas din nga tayo ng language na naiintindihan. Parehas tayo, kumbaga, we're dealing with the same thing. We understand the same thing. Ayun, kaya mas madali namin kayong for example, mas mapapa-improve yung task niyo or yung ginagawa niyo since iisipin namin paano namin din ito gagawin as an accountant or as a bookkeeper. Hindi lang as a, kunyari, sabihin natin na ang tinanong mo is developer talaga. Ang isasagot lang talaga nila sa iyo is most likely mga codings lang talaga. Yun.
I agree, totoo yan. Yung bang coding na hindi mo maintindihan. Mga gano'n, diba? So, ayan, Miss Regina, ano po?
Sa akin naman, yung sa question na what makes this program different from other self-development. Kasi as you can see, yung self-development kasi it's more of the general kumbaga perceptions of how you need to develop yourself and how you will be able to sell out yourself to the market. Whereas in this RURL course, we're actually driving into the specifications of the each courses. Like for example, sa amin, real estate and property. Although, katulad nga na sinabi ko na kanina is, lahat ng mga aspiring bookkeepers and accountant, they need to learn the basic, the general or the fundamentals accounting and of accounting. But definitely, this is actually just the general aspect of the accounting. However, if you're gonna kumbaga join RURL, then definitely you'll be able to have a more specialized learning, specifically if you're leaning towards to become a real estate bookkeeper or an accountant. Kasi dahil sa vast areas ng, even naman ako, to be honest, marami pa rin naman room for improvement. Kasi kahit naman na ilang taon na ako nagre-real estate accounting, even if may experience na ako ng property management and real estate, other real estate aspect, because the real estate is a vast and a big industry, there's a lot of things that you will still need to learn. And what is important here is na kaya siya kaiba dun sa ibang mga self-development. Hindi lang naman tayo kumbaga syempre we're also teaching about yung kumbaga yung mindset. But then the mindset itself coupled with your skills development, it's also important in order for you to land the jobs. That's why here in RURL we're also teaching yung way how to do the DC, like yung nakaraan na batch where we did try to kumbaga replicate or show the students of how we do the DC in order for us to understand the clients concerns, and then how are we going to appear or show ourselves that it's not really to close the business, to close the deal, because medyo kasi minsan mahirap din yung maging salesy ka. Pero kasi kumbaga understanding the problem of the clients, dun pa lang makikita mo na saan mo pwedeng i-address yung concerns ng client. And it's actually one of the things that, it's a good thing to join RURL, because kumbaga makikita mo yung dynamics, paano ba dapat mag-close mag-perform ng discovery calls in order for you to understand where your prospective clients is coming from. Kasi sa self-development, although the mindset is there, but then there's also you also need to learn a lot of skills. And minsan mahirap yung sobrang marami ka ng skills na alam. Mahirap, kumbaga sabi nga nila yung jack of all trades, master of none. So definitely having this specification and having this kumbaga granular kumbaga pag-dissect mo na ano ba talaga yung gusto mong i-focus na market. Kasi kung alam mo yung market na i-serve mo, mas mabilis kang mag-evolve as a go-to or as a professional or as a specified bookkeeper na real estate. Kasi kumbaga naiintindihan mo na yung galaw ng market. So kung may mga questions, yung like for example, sa katulad din sinabi nila yung pag may mga questions yung student, they can post their questions on the classroom, and then they can reach out to us so that we'll be able to address whatever questions or concerns that they have. So ang akin kasi dito mas importante na yung parang maintindihan mo yung dynamics nung specifications nung gusto mong kunin na course. Like for example, real estate. Marami siyang opportunities na pwedeng ibigay. And the good thing about it is that hindi naman siya kumbaga yung parang general din yung bayad. Kumbaga you can also, have the liberty of, managing your business. Kasi pag na-specialize mo yung sarili mo being a real estate accountant, nagiging na-enhance na yung yung skills mo. And then once you try to apply to different works, or connect with different client prospects, so may possibility na kumbaga dumagdag yung clients mo. And the good thing about it, kasi I'm just coming from an experience. Kasi before, di ba sabi nga natin, nasa remote work tayo, di ba? Pero you can have the options to choose where you want to live. That's what I'm actually doing right now. Because before I was, compelled to work in the 4 area of my house. But then, it's almost 9 months that I decided to live here in Boracay. So, kumbaga, the good thing about it is that binibigyan ka rin ng opportunity na i-expand mo yung capacity mo to earn. And then, the good thing about it is to decide saan ka pwede mag-work. Kasi, kumbaga, kaya nga nandito tayo sa freelancing eh. Kumbaga, it's giving us the opportunity where to work and how are you gonna, expand your business opportunities as well. So, it's isa tong sa magandang nakita ko kasi corporate accountant din naman ako before eh. In 14 years, I was in the corporate. So, kumbaga, very limited yung time na makakaalis ako, makakapag-vacation ako because I'm tied to the corporate limitations. However, when I decided to, jump into the freelance as full-time freelancer, doon ko na nakita na kaya naman pala. And if you're thinking na baka naman expensive ka dyan kasi parang hindi naman. Kasi kumbaga, the mindset itself depends on the person. Kung ang thinking mo is to live lucratively, ikaw yun, nasa sayo yun. Pero kung if you want to live simply just to have the relaxation that you want, because alam mo yung nangyari yung pandemic, it became an eye-opener for me na life is too short. So, kumbaga, bakit mo pipigilan yung sarili mo na ma-compelled ka na mag-work ka lang sa bahay? Where in fact, pwede mo naman alisin yung sarili mo, uproot mo yung sarili mo sa bahay, mag-work ka anywhere you work. Kaya nga, nandun na tayo sa laptop industry. Kasi, kumbaga, itong freelancing na to ang nagbigay sa akin ng opportunity na ma-embrace ko yung lifestyle ng laptop. Kasi, kumbaga, pwede ka mag-work anywhere you want as long as you have the internet. Yun ang importante din. Mayroon kang internet, tapos, a good place to work, then, off you go. Pwede na. Hindi na siya katulad dati na sobrang tayo na bahay lang. Nag-remote ka pa, di ba? Parang ang point ko lang is, although, kumbaga lahat naman ng tao, there's a lot of, kumbaga, it's an option for the people. Hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin sa kanila na, try mo tong ganito. Hindi naman kasi, kumbaga, may mga tao talaga na they wanted to work at home. Pero kasi ako nung nangyari sa akin yung pandemic, nung nagkasakit ako, sabi ko, hindi pwede to na ganito. Kasi kumbaga, if I will work na, ito na, freelancer ako, then I'm still stuck at home, then parang ganun din. na iba lang yung location ko, napunta lang ako from a corporate na nag-o-opisina, then napunta lang ako sa bahay. Pero nung nakita ko na freelancing naman pala, pwede naman pala siya anywhere you go. Kasi dito naman sa Boracay, kung sasabihin nyo, mahal, hindi ito mahal, mura dito. May mga bagay na kailangan mo lang what you call that, yung i-prioritize. Kasi marami namang options eh. Sabi ko nga if you want to live longer here in Boracay, you have to live like a local. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-live as a turista kasi mauubos yung pera mo rito. Definitely that's the case. But then, ako napansin ko when I evaluate the things that I've had nung nagtumira ako dito, mas naging productive ako dito. compare nung nasa bahay ako. That's why dito ko napansin na, ay, kaya naman pala, na kumbaga, hindi lang pala it's a matter of the location, but kumbaga kung talagang driven ka, at ito na yung ano mo na gusto mo talagang, gusto ko ng work-life balance. Gusto ko na meron akong, kumbaga after a very, kumbaga parang yung mahirap na, syempre sa work, nakakaranas tayo ng stresses, di naman nawawala yan eh. Lalo pa mga accountants tayo, there are month ends, there are compliances that we need to work in. But then, definitely after work, kapag okay na, sige, stress na ako, tabi ang laptop, takbo sa dagat, yun. Para lang din, kumbaga mabalansi ko siya lahat. Kasi dati, sobrang, nung naiiyak ako before nung nasa Manila ako na hindi makalabas dahil pandemic. So parang kumbaga nakulong ako, tapos nagkakaroon ako ng parang depression doon nag-arise yung anxiety ko and depression ko eh. Kaya sabi ko, it's important for me to really, kumbaga i-uproot ko yung sarili ko and place myself where I want to really work. So I think naman, sabi ko, hindi naman siya sasabihin mo distraction kasi may dagat, wala ka ng time. Sabi ko, it's a matter of mindset and it's a matter of, kumbaga, decision making din sa sarili mo. If you're really focused on what your goals are, then definitely, i-focus mo talaga yung kahit na sabi mo, may dagat dyan, pero you have to really work. Kasi syempre, may deliverables ka, may client ka, may business ka. So, yun yung isa sa mga bagay na natutunan ko when I had this freelancing. And alam ko naman na maraming self-development work na kumbaga would give you kumbaga inspiration. But then definitely, if you are skilled plus you have a change of mindset, then definitely it's a good combination as well.
Yun. Ang dami.
Sana all, di ba?
Hi.
Yes, sana all.
Okay, so maganda din yung sinabi ni Miss Regina, no? Kumbaga going out from your comfort zone, isa din yan. So, try out other places, okay? So, given na freelancer na tayo, okay? Para maiba naman yung aura ng working environment mo, okay? Kasi diyan kasi gumagana yung creativity. Okay na ba si Andy? Handa na ba si Andy? Andy, okay ka? Ikaw na ba kasunod?
Yes po. Pero I think na nasabi na nila mostly lahat. Pero I just want to reiterate po when it comes to what makes this program different from other that we have on the market right now is I think we have courses that are equipped and then it's like will fit to every different type of learners. Maybe you're visual learner or audio learner. We have like a lot of we have in every course we have like sample challenges or some questions that you can answer. Then of course we the mentors or we the course creators are trying our best to be available 24/7 to answer all your questions when it comes to the course itself. And then also I think one thing is really with the course that you have in RUOL is that they are not just simply like course, but they are like important and really beneficial courses for your freelancing journey. Yan lang po. Thank you.
Okay.
Ayun.
Thank you, Andy. Okay, for the next question. Are there new topics added for the next launch? Or what could be these things that we should look forward to para sa ating next launch? Okay.
Yeah, Miss
can we
Lady,
start?
go ahead.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
For the BIR taxation yan, I will be adding the monthly and quarterly commonly filed tax returns and the discussions behind that. So the taxation laws, so that would include any penalties, what we need to look into, ano yung mga kailangan nating iwasan or mga red flags on the client side, yung mga ganun. So, and I did decide to have an upgrade kasi or update since we are on the tapos na tayo dun sa year-end season. So, this, for the BIR taxation, must update, inline to sa season natin ngayon kung saan regular filings yung kailangan na isubmit ng mga companies. So, since nasa regular season na tayo, kaya yon I've decided na kung ano yung mga requirements ng companies, Philippine companies, yun yung i-discuss natin. So, I hope you will look forward to that and at least you can add up to your portfolio para mas maging kumpleto siya. Diba? So, yun lang.
Ayan, thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Si Leo.
Ayun, as for the yung magiging updates po natin dun sa course natin, most probably I will be adding PIR related stuff. Mostly dun sa automation or how to generate reports na usually sinasubmit sa BIR on a faster manner. Like for example, yung mga CSV files na kailangan nating i-submit kay BIR since siya talaga yung pinaka-tedious gawin sa lahat. Yung mga natin, if you're familiar with the BIR data entry system, ayun, mano-mano po natin ginagawa siya. Lalo na pag nag-enter po tayo ng mga sales and purchases natin. Ayun, sobrang tedious niya gawin. And actually, there's a way to do it on a copy-paste basis. Kasi doon kay data entry, medyo madami-dami kang ano yun doon i-encode. If you're gonna do it on the manual, if you're gonna do it manually. Ayun. Mostly mga ano lang naman, yun nga, mga CSV. How to generate CSV files using Excel sa halip na gagamit po tayong data entry system ni BIR. And then as well as probably we'll be adding additional software na pwede natin gamitin to be more an efficient accountant and bookkeeper. Yun lang po.
Okay. Then we have Miss Regina.
Yeah, sa amin siguro kasi like yung sa part 1 kasi ang na-discuss kasi namin doon is yung MRI at saka yung build yung na software. Although we had during the live session, we had kumbaga present namin yung a folio on a like parang overview. So probably this one i-integrate na namin yung a folio ni Kim para at least kumbaga masama siya doon sa pre-recorded. Before kasi hindi namin na-include yun. That's why we just opted to use two software, but then probably we'll also integrate another two software that we can integrate so that people will also learn additional property management or real estate software. And then na-notice ko during that time na may mga nagke-question doon sa classroom. So there are some questions that are concentrating on the corporate real estate. So since hindi naman kasi namin yun covered na then most of our experience is actually into the property management, probably we'll also create additional sources that would also give information about how corporate real estate works and what are the sample of financial statements that are being introduced to the corporate real estate. Kasi ito yung mga parang mga wholesale real estate kasi most of the time hindi naman kasi kami wala kami experience talaga sa corporate like yung mga SMDC ay yung mga DMCI, mga SMDC na mga type of real estate. So siguro we'll also integrate information and other learnings about that one.
Okay, that's interesting. Then we have Andy.
For my course, QuickBooks Desktop Payroll. So new things that you're gonna be seeing or experiencing with my course is that you're gonna experience I'll be explaining on the difference between the QuickBooks Desktop Payroll as well as the QuickBooks Online Payroll, because I know we have some clients that are doing payroll or using QuickBooks Online in paying their employees. So I'll be having a short of like a brief comparison on both QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online, but I'll be more focusing on the QuickBooks Desktop. But anyways, again, based on my experience, if you are really like equipped or ready, learned the QuickBooks Desktop Payroll, then it's pretty much easier for you to go with the QuickBooks Online Payroll side. And then I think I'll be adding more like payroll challenges. Like, of course, we have a lot of employee scenario. Like, let's say this employee is like single or like has child support, something like that, or has some pre-tax or post-tax health insurance. I'll be adding a lot of employee scenarios that we can use in case we are ready to pay them. And then also one thing is that I'll be like creating a workbook when it comes to, I know we have a lot of clients in the different states in the US. We have like Florida, California, and we are not aware on what payroll tax forms we need to prepare for each state. So meron iba like I have a client from Florida and then Texas, then I'm really not aware what payroll tax forms I need to prepare in every quarter or on a yearly basis or the annual forms. Then I'll be creating like a workbook link where you can click on each state and then you will see all the forms that you need to prepare on every quarterly and annual tax forms or tax preparations for your payroll. Yes, po.
Wow, ang dami
Wow,
na.
nice yun 'no. Ako na-amaze ako do'n, Miss Alfie, Nice, oo nga. Mag-e-enroll nga ako. Grabe,
Dami
astig
na.
yun, do'n pa lang sa mga forms, grabe bawing-bawi ka na do'n sa forms.
Yes, po.
Knowing payroll, 'di ba, talagang in demand din siya sa lalo na sa US.
Yes.
Gusto kasi nila bookkeeping plus payroll, gano'n sila, yung mga package. At least makakapag-charge ka pa ng mas mataas kapag gano'n. Ayan. Sige po, Miss Alfie.
Okay, so aside from the courses na in-offer nila Miss Regina, we have Lady, we have Leo, Kim, at saka si Andy. We have also added courses, no? So we have QuickBooks Desktop, okay, basic operations inside QuickBooks Desktop. Then we have also US taxation, okay, coming from a US tax agent, and the mindset training, plus the premium skill para sa mga bookkeepers who want to specialize sa clean up, okay. So, yan po ang maisali natin para sa RUOL batch 2 natin. So, yun. meron pang mga changes
Wow.
plus yung may dagdag pa. So sobrang sobrang dami na. Okay.
Grabe yun, no? So, meron po tayong additional 3 courses for this batch. Grabe.
Yes.
Okay. And yan, we have new updates na minention din po ng ating mga course creators. And ako din, on the mindset side, I have new topic for the mindset. So, yan. Ang dami ng mga bonuses, guys. So, bahala na kayo. Bahala nyo absorb lahat yan. Okay. So, ayan po. Meron pa po tayo, I think meron pang isang question here. Last question for everyone.
Okay. So if there's one word to define after taking RUOL courses, what would it be? Parang pang Miss Universe lang to, ah. Okay.
Sige po, Miss
Si Andy.
Can
Ay,
I,
sorry.
Ayan,
May
si Andy.
meeting kasi si Miss Lady,
Oo.
madam.
Can
Ayan.
I start? Yan, request ko lang. Sige. Thank you. So for me, it's competence. Yan. Kailangan natin yan both to have the confidence when we are talking to our clients and also to provide the services. So, it's on edge, di ba? Dun sa mga accountants. So, if you would, ano yun, parang kung papansinin nyo, dati, freelance is a new thing. And as time goes by, it becomes more and more common. Marami ang mga umaalas from the corporate world to gain freelancing. Kasi nga, ano siya, marami siyang benefits na binibigay. So, and we would expect that trend to continue na as magkakaroon tayo ng competitors in this market. Okay? And we need to be able to be on top of everything. We need, syempre, we need to always upskill. I have this conversation with a software creator last Saturday, I guess. And yun nga, according to him, sabi niya, in the technology-wise, yun lang yung hindi parang will continue to exist. However, it will continue to improve. So, hindi mo pwedeng hayaan yung sarili mo na though currently you are already at par, you will still have this dapat heart to learn and upskill yourself. So this course I will define is that this will give us competence na at lagi tayong on the market dun sa kung ano man yung kailangan na skills ng market, especially these are specialized skills. Your mentors are already in the industry and they are continually also engaging in the learning process para nang sa ganon yung mga discussions na ipoprovide namin, they will help you to have that skills that you will need para ma-provide yung services na kailangan ninyo efficiently and effectively to your clients.
Oh, I like it. Competence, madam, no? Competence. Nice.
Thank you. Parang pang Miss
Thank
Universe.
you.
Okay.
Yan, pero magpapaalam na din ako kasi by 4 p.m. kailangan ko na nang mag-attend ng meeting. Thank you all, guys. Yan.
Thank you, Miss Lady.
Okay.
Salamat. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Next we have si Leo. Ano naman yung pwede mong mailagay na special word para sa ating RUOL course?
I think this is efficiency, which is also the main purpose of this course. How to tackle a task on an efficient manner para mas madami pa tayong makuha ng clients, as well as we will still have time for ourselves and our family. Ayun po.
Okay, thank you. Yan, si Miss Regina po.
Sa akin, yung one word for RUOL courses would be breakthrough. Kasi ano siya parang kumbaga, it's one thing na, kumbaga, it will give you edge on your freelancing journey. So it's not, you will not be called like a general accountant or general bookkeeper because the courses here will give you an edge in order for you to have that breakthrough deal with some of your clients because kumbaga ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng opportunity na may kakayahan ka pang itaas yung level mo. Yun.
Ayun.
Wow, bigat din yung mga word, madam, no? I like it. Competence, efficiency, breakthrough. I receive. Receive ko lahat yan. Grabe.
Yan, si Andy naman. Ano kaya?
So I think the word that would best describe after taking the Rise Up Online Learning is, I think, being grateful for having this course. I think you are then ready to face new challenges or new skill set, to face new clients and opportunities. After taking this course, you will be grateful for all the learnings that you have learned, and then I think it would really help you in the future through your freelancing journey. I think that's it.
Wow, ang gaganda ng sagot nilang lahat. Grabe.
So we have competence, efficiency, okay? Si Andy naman ay grateful. Ano nga yung kay Regina? Nakalimutan ko tuloy.
Breakthrough.
Breakthrough.
Yun, breakthrough. Ako naman dagdag ako, specialization. Ayun.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, anyway, ni Shari, meron pa ba tayong announcement?
Mhm. So sige, bago po tayong syempre matapos let me just read this first for this afternoon. Syempre, Friday Praise Story pa rin ang ating segment today. So we are all grateful for this opportunity to add this course for TBSA. Ayan, another course siya ng under din sa syempre the accounting solution or the isa sa mga short courses na offer natin. And let's read it in Psalm 9:1. I will give thanks to you, Lord, with all my heart. I will tell all your wonderful deeds. Another week na naman pong nakalipas. We're grateful for the new strength, for the new grace, for the new breath of life, for the opportunity to share what you have, knowledge, or anything that you have right now, 'di ba? At maging patuloy na pagpapala sa ibang tao. So kami po, we are grateful for you guys, for our mentors and course creator na nag-join sa amin sa movement na to because I simply believe na mas marami po tong taong matutulungan. So we're so grateful na inaccept niyo po tong challenge muli. Ayan, for our batch 2. So, ayan, Miss Alfie, anything to add pa po ba?
Okay, so if you are planning to specialize, okay, in a certain field, so marami po kayong mapipili dito sa ating RUOL courses, no? So we have taxation, we have local and US, then we have QuickBooks Desktop, we have real estate, and then we have Excel. Yes, kailangan din natin yun, no? So lalong-lalo na pag, ayun, isa na doon yung ginagawa natin sa QuickBooks Online. So mag-manual uploading, kailangan natin paano mag-convert into CSV, okay? And then, plus yung paggagamit ng QuickBooks Desktop and the cleanup. Yan, isa yan sa mga premium skills din that you can charge premium rate. So, abangan po natin. And also, this is one of the great things that you will invest para sa sarili mo. Okay? Kasi hindi lang tayo dapat mag-focus kung ano tayong meron ngayon. Dapat meron din tayong goal na to commit for continuing education para
Yep.
naman sasabi natin na maging mas competent pa tayo, no? In the face of our prospects and our, especially mga prospective clients natin. So that we can charge naman na premium rates. Para kumbaga pa, hindi lang, let's say, nag-earn ka lang ng, let's say, 50,000 a month. So you can level up that you can earn at least 150. Di ba? Hindi natin alam, right? So, mas maganda na i-level up natin yung self natin at the same time, yung confidence. And another one is helping also our clients. Okay, yan.
Mhm. And just to add lang po, Miss Alfie, abangan din po nila ang ating upcoming webinar since we have new courses na i-offer. So, syempre, may konting patikim din po for everyone. Ayan. So, para naman din po, kahit paano is malaman nyo po kung ano po yung mga topics na i-discuss ng ating mga new course creator. Like yung for sa QuickBooks Desktop and for the US income tax return. So, ako yun, excited ako sa dalawang mga topics na yun. And I think Miss Alfie also will do a webinar. I'm not sure yan. Ipa-finalize natin yan, yung mga schedules and the topics. Pero for sure, this April, meron po tayong mga free webinars. Sa mga nag-aabang po ulit for April, yes, of course, meron po tayong free webinar. Okay? So, ayan. So, yan po yung mga ilo-look forward this April. Okay po. For those who were asking about the additional lessons, ayan po, if you avail it for batch 1, I think it is discussed naman din po na if you want to upgrade, meron po tayong minimal fee. Okay? Meron lang po tayong konting minimal fee if you want to add the new courses doon po sa mga access nyo. Okay, sige po. I think that's it. So, read muna tayo ng mga konting mga comments here. Ayan, sabi dito ni, hindi ko makita yung name, pero sabi niya, I aspire to be like that one day, working remotely and travel whenever I want. Okay? Sige po, ayan, na-inspire po sila. Yan din po ang gusto ko, I can work whenever I want. Work-life balance mindset. I think this is Miss Grace. Yan, could not agree more, Sis Regina. Yan daw, mindset matters. Sana all talaga. Yes! Kita-kit sa Boracay. Okay. So,
Sure.
ayan. Hanapin natin
Parang
si Miss
malapit lang
Regina. Oo nga, no, parang malapit lang. So, ayan, soon, very soon. Miss
Yeah.
Alfie, kita-kits na lang tayo doon.
Okay, bukas
I-meet ko kayo dito.
Oo nga, ayan. O, Leo, Andy, punta tayo doon. Ayan, si Kim at saka si Lady, ayan, invite natin sila. So, ayan po, I think that's it. Ito na muna, dito na muna natin ikakat. So, abangan nyo lang po yung mga upcoming announcement for the webinar schedule. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Leo. Thank you, Regina.
Thank you
Thank you,
po.
Lady. Thank you, Miss
Thanks,
Alfie.
everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Happy